Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Power BI with GitHub. So for that what I need to do is just open the Google search bar and type GitHub. First I need to open my GitHub account. This is my username and first I need to go to my repositories. So these are the repositories that are already there in my GitHub account. So I will go to the Cognos dataset. I'll pick this repository. And if you look at this repository, you will see some sample dataset. Let me just pick this one, sample underscore dataset. In this dataset, I have this data, employee ID, employee gender, marital status, grade, etc. So what I need to do is just I want to load this dataset in Power BI. For that, what you need to do is just click raw, and after that you will have to just copy the path, and then you will open the Power BI desktop, and then you will go to get data and select web. After that you will select basic version and you will have to provide the URL and then click OK. Then you will have to wait. I'm not going to select anything. Let's select the Cognos dataset. Okay, fine, connect. And after that you will see, look, this is the dataset which I want to load, and I will click load. And after that you will see the data in the model, and the data is loading. Look, data has been loaded. So this is how you connect Power BI with GitHub. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.